In this video, I'm gonna teach you about the set in Python. Set is unordered list in Python. In set we store multiple values in single variable. And set has no indexes, so we can't modify the set values. Over here let's define a set. Let's say my set equal to, and the syntax of set is opening and closing curly brackets. Inside these brackets we can store our values. So I'm gonna say Smith, Parker, Babar, Azam. We can store integers, we can store numbers with decimal point, 30.50, and we can also store booleans. So I'm gonna say true. Now let's print the my set. Down over here, print statement and my set. Now let's go ahead and run our program, and you can see all the set values. But look here, our values are not in the order. Over here you can see first we have in the set we have Smith, and over here we have true. Then second we have Parker, and over here we have Smith. So set is unordered list in Python. We can also use set method for sets in Python. Now let's call the set method set parentheses square brackets, and I'm gonna say 20, 30, and let's say 40. Now let's print the my set, print and my set. Now I'm gonna run the program, and we get all the set values. So we can also use set method for sets in Python.